I fling the ball for my dog every afternoon. I am flinging open the curtains right now. I have just flung my coat over a chair. I have been flinging myself into this project for weeks. I flung the door open in a hurry yesterday. I was flinging the frisbee when I twisted my ankle. I had flung the old files into the bin before I checked them. I had been flinging paint at the canvas for hours before it dried. I will fling the confetti at the finish line tomorrow. I will be flinging hay bales onto the truck all morning. I will have flung every box into the van by noon. By spring, I will have been flinging pots on the wheel for a year.